Hello iDesigners, I'm going to show you how to remix a game in TaleBlazer. So I want to remix the Duck Duck Goose game. Once I've logged in here, I go to the URL and I type in tailblazer.org/game/game page with a capital P /1780, press enter, and it brings me to the game page. Next I click Remix Game, and I'm brought to the game editor. First, I'm going to change some of the agents. So I click on the Agents tab, and I've got a lot of ducks and geese here, but I want to make like a cat and mouse game because cats chase mice, so makes sense, right? So I'll change my duck to a cat. In order to do that, I need to first download an image of a cat. So I'll open a new tab in my web browser, Google cat, go to images, and I've got a picture of a cat right here. First thing I do is click control click on a Mac or right click on a PC and then save image as. I'll save it as cat.jpg. That's very important. Make sure it's .jpg. And I'll save it to my desktop because that's my most accessible folder. Click Save. Now I go back to my TaleBlazer editor, the image of the duck, click on Upload Image, and click on cat.jpg, open. And now I've got a picture of a cat. So it wouldn't make sense to call my cat named Duck, so I'll just call it Cat. And in the description, I'll just write meow. And then I'm going to repeat the process for the rest of the ducks. Click on the duck image. Now you'll notice that the cat image has been added to where it says games. Here on the left there's a tab open that says game files, and over here on the right my cat image is already there. So all I have to do now is click on the cat image. Click OK. Repeat. Click on the duck's image. Click on the cat. Now you notice I forgot to change the description of the cat, so I'm going to go back and do that. Change the name to cat, description, meow, same thing again, cat, description, meow, and I'll repeat a few more times, please bear with me. And the last one, again, just click on the image of the duck, click on the cat, OK, highlight and delete, change the name to cat, write in the description, meow. Great. Now I just want to change the goose. Again, the first thing I have to do so I can change the goose into a mouse is download an image of a mouse. So I'll go back to Google, click in the search bar and type in mouse. So I've got some images of mice and computer mice. I'm just going to take an image of a regular mouse. On a Mac, I control click, PC right click, save image as mouse.jpg, save it to my desktop. Click Save, go back to my TaleBlazer editor. Now I click on the goose agent. Oops. Now I've clicked on the goose agent, I click on the image, upload image, go to my desktop, click mouse, open. Now I've got a picture of a mouse. I'm just going to change the name to mouse. I'm not sure what sound a mouse makes exactly, so I'm just going to change the description to I want some cheese. Same process, I click on the goose agent, click on the image. The mouse image is already there, so I just click on it and then click OK. I'll change the description to I want some cheese. Repeat the process again. Click on the next goose agent, click on the goose image, mouse, OK, mouse, I want some cheese. And you'll notice I forgot to change the name of the last agent. So I got to go back, change her name to mouse, go to the next goose to change to a mouse, image, mouse, okay, change the name to mouse. I'll leave the description, all you caught. Now I go to the last goose. You can see I've already changed his image to a mouse. But now I want to change the name to mouse. And the description, I want some cheese. So now I've remixed all of my agents. I've given them new images, new names, and new descriptions. Now I want to change some of their locations. So in order to do that, I go to the Map tab. And once I'm on the map, I'm free to move around some of the agents. So what I'm going to do is just move this one over here. I'm going to do this kind of randomly. Maybe do something like this. Your students can really do this however they want. Again, it's important to play test to make sure that the agents are located in an accessible location. We don't want them to be, on a fence or in a stairwell or anything like that. Great. So those were the first and the most basic steps of remixing a game in TaleBlazer.